Hello guys, welcome to Hazy Tech, Ebenezer Computer and Communication Engineering. So today guys, this is a phone before me today, which is iPhone 6s Plus, as you can see. So what is the actually problem of this phone? The actual problem of this phone is that it can be power on. It can be power on. It can be power on. So the fault of causing this phone not to be power on, we don't know until we take a step to troubleshoot it. So actually in this condition, we call it a dead phone. Dead phone. A dead phone. So guys, this is what we want to actually go through now. Okay. So guys, if you are new to my channel, I want you to subscribe to my channel for more repair knowledge on phones and computer. Okay guys, let's go to the troubleshooting of this phone. So what is the first thing we are going to do? The first thing is that I'm going to disassemble this phone. Yeah, I'm going to disassemble this phone. Okay. All right. The two bolts has been removed, so it's not here. I think the customer have lost the bolt from those engineer or by itself. So there are some customer that they unscrew the bolt by themselves. Okay. So now let me try to pull the screen up and check the condition of the phone. So the first thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to open the phone. I'm going to open the phone. Okay. I'm going to open the phone. All right. Okay. Very easy. All right. Okay. Pull up the phone. Pull up the text of the screen gently. All right. Perfect. Okay. So now what I'm going to check now is that I'm going to check the condition of the battery. Yes, that's the first step that must come to your mind. I'm going to check the footage of the battery. Okay, let me remove the battery out. Let me unplug it on the board. Okay, all right. So now let me check the footage of the battery. So I'm going to put it to DC mode. I'm going to put it to DC mode. All right. So let me check the condition of the battery. Actually, guys, I don't have any footage here. I don't have any footage here. no any voltage, no any voltage on this battery. Yes, I don't have any voltage. Even physically, in physically assumption, you can see that the battery is already gone as I was seeing it. Okay, what am I going to do right now? I don't have any battery yet to test it, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my DC power supply to power on the phone and check whether the phone doesn't have any other fault apart from this battery. So the first thing I detect is that the battery is not good and there is no any voltage, no actual voltage on the battery, and physically the battery is not well. Okay, so now I'm going to plug my screen back. I'm going to plug the screen back. Let's like this. All right, perfect. Okay, so now let me on my DC power supply. So the voltage is already set 4.2 voltage and 3 amperes. That's the good and normal voltage and amperes to power on any iPhone. I repeat, any iPhone. Also 100. Okay, so I'm going to plug my 100 boost power supply. Screen more than 90 degrees. You can see that the inside is fairly similar to the suit. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, so I'm going to look for the, because this one is iPhone 6s Plus. I'm going to look for the actual connector. Where is the actual connector? Where is the actual connector? Alright, so this is the actual connector for the iPhone 6s connector on 100 volt power cable. Okay, guys. So now let me plug it. Okay, perfectly plugged. Now let me on it. Okay, I will power on this on this phone. Let me press the power on. You can see you can see the amperes. It's rising. Okay, as you can see, guys, the phone on. Okay, wow, wow, wow. You can see that the ampere is going high. You can see. So This means that the phone is on boot. Phone is on boot. Okay. Wow. 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 Now we now the iPhone is working. As you can see. Wow. 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 Right. Okay. I think we have got what we want to actually know. Now this phone is powering on. So this means that the battery is the issue of the phone. So let me off it. Let me off it. Okay, guys. So now, guys, let's discuss a little. What do we learn in this video? Now we learn that this is the value of DC power supply and also this power boot cable. So it's a must for engineer to have to give you haste for your troubleshooting. So guys, I think you learned a lot in this video. So by this instrument, now we fix out the problem without parabolating. All right, guys. So that's the value of DC power supply. That's the value of DC power supply. Okay, guys. See you later. So I want you to like, subscribe, and share my video. So guys, and if you have any question, you can ask and drop your question in the comment section. See you guys. All right. Bye.